So we start off today's video with this hair transformation. So the stylist kind of trims up the hair. Mixes in some color. Looks like she's getting a red pixie style for this one. Now this is absolutely gorgeous. I love the spiky texture that she has. And I think that the red hair just really complements her complexion. Very nicely done. Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle and today we're going to be checking out some hair transformation. I think that with this one, the color really just enhances the cut. She does have the face framing bangs. And we all know that the pixie bob is a very popular hair trend for 2023. So here we have a platinum pixie style. Wow. This color looks absolutely amazing on her and I love this pixie haircut. Then we move into another cut refresh. Looks like she got some color as well. Beautiful bright blonde pixie style. And then we see a rather unique and edgy pixie bob variation. She does have the salt and pepper going there at the top and then black by the nape. And then we have a really cute shaggy haircut. And she does have her natural gray mixed in here, as well as some bangs to frame out the face. And this is a great hairstyle to try out if you want to add some volume to your hair. Next up, we have another bob style. I love how volumized this bob is. So much body and movement within this haircut. And then it does feature the swoop bangs to frame out the face. Gorgeous. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.